Hello, I'm Robert Howe of the law firm of Robert Howe PC, located in Brooklyn, New York. Today we're going to be talking about whether multiple parties can own real property. I'm often asked this question, and the answer is yes, multiple people can own real property. There are a couple of considerations, however, before you go into such an arrangement. One is, if you have a group of people, how are they going to interact with each other? In other words, there are two types of tenancies. One is called tenants in common. The other type of tenancy is called joint tenants with rights of survivorship. So that basically means if you are a tenant in common with another person and that person happens to pass away, then their share of the property would go to whoever they designate. Whereas with joint tenants with rights of survivorship, if your co-owner passes away, you end up with 100% of the property. Now, that generally isn't what you want to have happen unless, of course, you're a related party. So a brother and sister who inherit a property, unless they have family of their own, probably would want to have joint tenants with rights of survivorship. The brother passes away, the sister owns the whole house 100%. If, however, you and a friend decide to go on an investment property, maybe rehab a building, you probably don't want to do joint tenants with rights of survivorship. God forbid something happens to you or your partner, you would want whatever interest you had in the real property to go to your own people, generally your family members, or to the other person's family members. So the answer is yes, multiple people can own real property. You really have to consider, though, what would happen later on in the event of a death of one of those people. What would happen to that interest? I'm Robert Howe of the law firm of Robert Howe PC, located in Brooklyn, New York, and today we were talking about, can multiple people own real property?